Vin, what is that in the book? What is it? Tell me, what is that? What does the piggy say? What is this? Stop jumping. What is this?
Hungry.
What is it? What does the donkey say?
Horn.
No, that's what a pig says. What's this?
Hungry.
What's this?
A monkey.
What does a monkey do? What's today, Vinny?
My birthday.
Mommy's birthday.
Mommy's birthday.
Did you sing happy birthday to me?
Yeah.
Stop.
Me?
No, Lily.
Lily.
What's this?
A horn. A piggy.
And what's the piggy say?
Horn.
Good night.
She says it too. It's not.
What does the piggy say?
Horn.
I love you.
Love you.
Vin,
What?
I love you.
Love you.
Mwah. Happy birthday to Mommy.
Happy birthday for Mommy.
Say happy birthday to Mommy.
Happy birthday for Mommy.